Все, пишем. Пишем. Если что, я сама с собой разговариваю. Привет, солнце! Как дела? Long time no see! Давно не виделись. If it's your first time here, I'm Rima, this is my board, and this is Mr. Plush. Welcome to my new studio, which is also my living room, my kitchen and bedroom. I'm kidding. Maybe. Today, I'm going to show you something I've never shown here before. What is it? Which is Russian cursive. Sounds like a curse, huh? Ooh, this is going to be fun! By the way, if you like the way I teach, you will benefit a lot from my new book, the 100-Day Marathon, where every day you will learn something new with practice examples, the way I usually do. Plus, you'll have your task of the day to help you create a healthy learning habit. The link is in the description. И начинаем! И начинаем! So, cursive, huh? Let's play a game. I write, you guess. The first word is... No, I'm not going to tell you right now. Смотри. What do you think? What is it? Or what are they? They are cones. Pine cones, for example. Ready to hear it? Шишки. Say it with me. Шишки. Продолжаем. Take your time. Или лилии. Pines or lilies. That's a strange choice to have. Шишки или лилии. What do you choose? Тебе нравятся лилии? Давай напишем. Тебе нравятся лилии. Do you like lilies? By the way, my writing is different from what we usually study at school, because for me writing is like a form of art. I like to experiment with letters, so I will show you several options, including the most classical one. This way I would normally write it. You see that these two letters are different here, but it's the same. Te. Sometimes I write like this, sometimes it's easier this way. At school we learn to write R like this. And В like this. Что тебе нравится больше? Пиши в комментариях. Which one do you like more? The next word is... Why am I so excited about it? I write, you guess. Дышишь. You breathe. Дышишь. This letter is ша. The same as here. This is just my way to write it. And this letter is ша. Ша. Ща приду, подожди. In spoken Russian, we usually say ща instead of сейчас. Now. Ща. Well, it's too casual. Actually, maybe you shouldn't even learn it. Too hot. If you like this energy and you want to support my work, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. So, ты дышишь. Как ты дышишь? Слишком громко. Oh, you were supposed to guess. Anyway, слишком громко. Слишком громко. Too loud. You are breathing too loudly. That's something you could tell me if my microphone is not set up well. I hope it's fine. By the way, tell me in the comments, how do you like everything? One more word. I think let's erase шишки. It looks too big here, huh? Смотри. Бодрствовать. I chose this word intentionally because some of you might confuse these three letters. In more classical version, we would write it like this. Б. Д. All the same. В. Бодрствовать или лили? You don't know what it means yet. This means to stay awake. Say it with me. Бодрствовать. Бодрствовать. Мы бодрствовали всю ночь. We were awake all night. Of course, you can say мы не спали всю ночь, which is much easier. But what fun is there? Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like and share with friends. Don't forget your 100-day marathon in the description. And see you soon. Mwah!